The mesopelagic zone is also known as the Twilight Zone, and that's because this is the part of the ocean where vampires live. Jokes aside, it's called the Twilight Zone because this is where light goes to die. The Twilight Zone of the ocean ranges from 200 meters in depth to 1,000 meters in depth, meaning there's quite a bit of variation in light distribution in this zone, as well as a lot more ocean to discuss. Some sunlight is visible at the top of the mesopelagic or twilight zone. However, one distinct characteristic of the twilight zone is the lack of conditions that allow for photosynthesis, meaning no plants, no phytoplankton, no vampires, I guess. And for fish and marine creatures, this means that life just got a lot more complicated. And gross. And I'm not just talking about how these fish look. If you look at the footage on screen right now of the Twilight Zone, obviously while illuminated by the camera, you almost see these particles that look like snow floating around. And this phenomenon is literally known as marine snow. And it consists basically solely of organic matter from the previous ocean layer. And by organic particles, of course, I mean fecal pellets and dead material, aka fish poop and dead fish parts. And while just being surrounded by death and poop might sound bad enough, believe it or not, in the Twilight Zone, for many fish, it's this consistent poop snow that actually facilitates life. Because this, for many fish, is their source of sustenance. So if you were curious what a creature would look like that never saw sunlight and had a diet almost exclusively of poo, well, you're about to find out very soon. The mesopelagic zone is also the first zone of the ocean that is considered deep sea,